Hi guys, welcome back to a new video in which we will continue our tenses lectures. So before starting, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. So first of all, let's have a short intro of present continuous tense. Negative plus interrogative sentences. Negative sentences. Present continuous negative tense is used to represent things or incidents which are not ongoing in current time or present time. To make present continuous negative tense, we use helping verb like is not, am not, are not, and ing with first form of verb. Formula: subject plus is not, am not / are not plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: he is not working hard. She is not going to school. We are not eating our dinner. Interrogative sentences. To make interrogative sentences of present continuous tense, we use is, am, are in the start of sentence, and remaining pattern remains the same. Formula is /am /are plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: are you making the progress? Is he cooking food? Special case: there is also a special case in which we use interrogative words like what, where, whose, who to make sentences interrogative. In such sentences we use is, am, are just after interrogative words, and remaining pattern remains the same. Formula: interrogative words plus is /am /are plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples: what are you doing here? Where is your brother? Interrogative negative sentences. In such kind of sentences we use not just after subject, and remaining pattern will be like interrogative sentences. Formula: interrogative word plus is /am /are plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus object. Examples: why is he not teaching you? And now move to the quiz, but before that make sure to subscribe the channel and don't forget to paste your score in comment box. Here is first question.